patient this day and age to read any good news on the newspaper.
Hey guys, Brian here with Dalinghaus Construction. Today's tip,
just a tip,
for having your kids at home and educating them, and you being the school teacher slash facilitator, is having patience.
and this, Mr. Dunn, is patience.
When it's just like with anything that you're gonna learn, you're not gonna be a professional right out of the gate. You gotta take that same thing in consideration with your kids. And how long it takes for them to master it is gonna be dependent on your teaching style, but then also how your kids react to your teaching style and what they've been used to. So there's gonna be a transition period. My advice is to not sweat the small stuff. They're gonna get it. Just give them time to be able to figure it out on their own and what works best for them. So patience is key.
Major key alert!
And that's your educational tip of the day.